Hello everybody, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. This video will be going to very excited. I have been waiting to test this one, big sound monsters. Yes guys, I am talking about this Sonata One soundbar from Zebronics. So today on TechnoWaves, we are unboxing it and going to review this Zebronics Sonata One soundbar with a 72 watts of RMS output. So before starting, if you are new here to channel, please do subscribe to our TechnoWaves channel and let's get started. So let's begin with unboxing. And here you can see some specifications are shown on the top of the box. The model name is shown on the box. Soundbar Sonata One from Zebronics with 72 watts of RMS output, multi-connectivity with 10.16 centimeter of subwoofer. Yes, it has a remote control, wall mountable LED display, soundbar with dual drivers, volume media control. Yes, before wasting time, let's begin with unboxing. So here I am open the box. We have got this some wired and remote control. Oh my god, it's very heavy guys. And secondly, we got this media volume control. The packaging is very nice guys, as you can see. So inside the box we got this sound bar itself. It's very long and heavy, and a subwoofer or some input auxiliary cables and remote control. And here's the two stands for wall mounting and some nails and a warranty card. Yes, that's it. Yes, packaging is very nice. So look at the design guys. It's very sleek, minimal and blends perfectly whether you place it under a TV or on a desk. The front has a clear LED display, and on the back here you can see it has one auxiliary input, HDMI input and coaxial input. And also it is a subwoofer output we have to connect here. And also we got here a volume control on the soundbar. Here we got this mode button, play pause button, previous sound button, next sound button and one USB port. Yes, it has a multi-level connectivity. Here you can see best soundbar under budget. This is of 10.16 centimeter of subwoofer. You can see we can control it by this remote control. Now about features, because that's where Zebronics has packed in one real goodies. It has 72 watts of RMS output, loud enough to fill medium sized room, and it has a dual drivers for clear mids and highs, and connectivity options. Bluetooth, it has Bluetooth 5.0, auxiliary input, USB and even optical input also. Of course, a remote control to control everything without leaving your seat. So no matter how you want to connect TV, phone, laptop, this one's ready. Now let's test this soundbar. Now let's start this soundbar. You can see on the display it is on Bluetooth mode. You can change the mode also. It is on auxiliary mode. This is on coaxial mode. Now let's play something. Here you can see Zeb Sonata One. Tap on that. Yes, it is paired now. Wow, the sound is very awesome guys, very amazing. The subwoofers are very high bass and very crystal clear vocals, and it doesn't distort even at high volume. Feels like I'm sitting inside a mini concert. Yes, sound quality is very excellent. I must say guys, with 72 watts of RMS, your living room turns into a theater. Trust me, you will forget your TV tiny speakers after this. So Sonata One doesn't just play sound, it makes you feel it. And about its pros and cons, it has a premium design, very loud, clear and immersive sound, multiple connectivity options, easy to use remote. About its cons, I can't complain much of it. About its price, this will get you of rupees 10,000. Yes guys, you can check online or you can go official website of Zebronics. You can find the real price of this. So with 72 watts of RMS, so you will trust me, you will forget your TV tiny speakers after this. This Sonata one doesn't just play sound, it makes you feel it. My honest take, if you are on a budget and want a stylish soundbar that makes music lively and movies thrilling, this Zebronics Sonata one is no-brainer. So and that's it for today's unboxing and review. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button, subscribe to Technowaves for more honest reviews, and tell me in the comments, would you buy this Sonata one or go for a bigger setup? Thanks for watching.